Hello everybody, again welcome back to our channel. Today also we have got you another video, and in this video I will be showing you how you can go ahead and read a text message without opening it on iPhone. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's go ahead and dive into our video. So if you want to just check the message and you don't want to open it, one thing that you can do is simply go ahead, check here in your status bar is one thing. Other thing is that you will simply go to your message box, and for example I want to check this message, like, so if for example basically you will see all the messages written right over here, so as you can see it. But if you want to see whole conversation, like it's a long message, what you're gonna do, simply go ahead, tap and hold on that message, and you will be able to open your message like that. So right, your whole conversation will pop up like that. So you can do that. You can see this mark as unread or anything. So if you go back, it will not be marked as read. So yes guys, this is the way you can do it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys next time.